Hi, Michael Schechter from abettermess.com, and today we have a quick one to show you how to dramatically speed up entry into OmniFocus on your iPhone using a new app called Launch Center Pro. I'm loving this application. It's already made its way into my dock, and what it does is it lets you quickly launch applications or specific actions within applications. You can also create groups, so touching one button will show you all your commonly used apps that maybe aren't on your home screen. I also have one for all the ways to contact my wife. But what I love best is this group of actions I've created for OmniFocus, and this lets me quickly create most of my repetitive tasks. The first is just a basic prompt. You go in, type whatever you want, and then that is going to show up in the inbox once you hit go. As you can see from there, you can add any context, projects, start dates that you might need. It's very straightforward. You're in the OmniFocus app. Okay, so now we're going to close out of OmniFocus, and I'll show you something a little similar but a little different. We're going to jump into an email, pretend we need to create a task from it, and start by just highlighting and copying some text. And now we're going to jump back into Launch Center, and this time we're going to create a similar task using a prompt. But once we add our text in and save, you'll notice that it jumps back into OmniFocus, but this time there's actually some information in the notes field. It took what we copied to the clipboard and added it to our task. Now we're going to cancel out of this task, get ourselves out of OmniFocus, and head back into Launch Center to try something different. Now I'm going to show you a different type of task. When I need to follow up with someone on something, I just can jump in now, and it's automatically going to pre-populate so I can just keep going and quickly create my task. If we jump back into Launch Center, you'll see we can also do the exact same thing, except we're going to add the clipboard information just like we did earlier. Last but not least, one of the things I like to do when creating a task for email is put in the name of the person. When the prompt comes up, I fill in my name, and when I hit go, it'll take me into OmniFocus with a new task and the name I entered in the prompt into the center. The cursor's at the end, so I can just keep typing like I have with my other snippets. It's a great way to speed things up. And that's about it. You can really do a lot and take these and make them your own. If you have your own repetitive actions, it's very, very simple to create one of these actions. To find these snippets and to learn more, visit abettermess.com.